Laura sold some rings and bracelets. Each bracelet cost $42 and the ring cost 2/3 of the price of the bracelet. Since we know the cost of each bracelet, let's put B is one B is $42. And from the third sentence, the ring cost 2/3 of the price of the bracelet. So let me copy down what I've seen. Cost 2/3 of the bracelet. Okay, so what we can do is circle the top and it goes to the first one, and circle the bottom goes to the bottom one. So ring and 2 bracelets is 2:3. So what we can do now is 3 units is $42. 1 unit is $14. So the cost of one ring, which is 2 unit, cost $28. Okay, so now we have found the two important information. One is given and the other one is the cost of the ring. Next, the change is Laura sold 1/3 of the items and collected $3,640. 2/5 of the items sold were ring. So let me change to another color. Sold. So 2/5 ring that are sold is 2. Bracelet that are sold and total sold and is 5. So 2/5 of the items sold were rings. So for this is 3. And in this case, because I do not want to put U because it may confuse you with this U, so I put parts. I just put it as parts. Okay? And in this case, as we know the value of each ring and the bracelet, and we know that there are a certain portion that is being sold, this is a number of units times value concept. So let's draw a table. Ring and bracelet, number of units. In this case, I call it parts. Okay, number of parts, and then value, and this is the N times V. Okay, and the total should add up to 3640. Okay, why? Because now we don't know the exact quantity of the rings and the bracelets sold, but we know that 3 parts. In this case, for the ring is 2 parts. Okay, 2 parts. Let's put 2p. And 3 parts of the bracelets are sold. And for the value, we know from here, which is given, $42. And for the ring here, $28. So in this case is N times V, 2p times 28, which is equals to 56p, and 3p times 42, which is equals to 126p. Okay, so 56 parts plus 126 parts is equals to 182 parts. and we know that 182 parts is 3640. So from here we can find the value of 1p, which is 20. So for part A, how many bracelets were sold goes back to here, which is 3p. So for part A, 3p is 3 times 20, which is 60. Okay, for part B, what was the total number of items left unsold? Let's find the total sold, which is 5 parts, which is 5 times 20, which is 100. And we know that there are let's see. Okay. And for unsold is actually 2 times 100, which is equals to 200. The reason why we can take 2 times 100 is because this is actually 1/3 of the items sold. So what is left unsold is 2/3. So if 1/3 is 100, we just take 2 times the value of 1/3, which is 100, is 200.